Let's talk about selling your home in the winter, when most people assume the market freezes up. Here in Fairfax County, the data tells a different story. Over the last 3 years, homes listed between December and February have performed remarkably well, often selling just as fast and for just as much as homes that hit the market in the spring. So if you've been wondering whether you should wait until April or May, you might want to listen closely. Let's start with the facts. Looking at the bright MLS data for 2022 through 2024, winter listings averaged just 5 days on the market. They sold for about 101% of list price, and there were roughly 2,000 homes listed countywide during the season, half the volume we see in springs. Inventory is tight, but demand is still there. Buyers who are shopping in December, January, or February are typically very motivated. They're relocating for work, they sold a home already, they're aiming to close before rates move again. These are not casual buyers, these are intentional buyers. So what are the advantages of selling in the winter? Less competition. Your home isn't lost in the sea of listings that it might be in April or May. Buyers who are out there now in the winter are very serious. They've been watching the market and they're ready to make decisions quickly. And third is service providers, stagers, contractors, photographers. They have more flexibility, which means you can get your home prepped and listed faster. Homes can actually look amazing in winter with the right approach. Warm lighting, fireplace, winter decor makes it all inviting and memorable. So there are some trade-offs. Landscaping doesn't always show as well. The grass is dormant, trees are bare, and weather like snow can certainly interfere with photography, etc. And also with shorter daylight hours, you just have to plan more. You can schedule twilight photos, stage with extra lighting, promote listings heavily online where most buyers begin their search anyway. So if you're considering selling in winter, aim for early to mid-January. That's when we see a surge of activity from buyers who pause during the holidays but are ready to act before spring competition arrives. It's the perfect window to capture serious demand while standing out. So don't write off winter as a bad time to sell, not in Fairfax County. If you'd like to know what your home can sell for in this market, let's talk strategy. This is Christina Dockerty with Long & Foster. I'm always here to answer any questions you have. Just reach out.